Hi, and Gulf News is back with the next review, which is for the Huawei FreeBuds Lipstick. Now, this again is not a new product. It's been in the market for over a couple of months, but the reason we thought it would be a perfect time to review this is because it's very close to Valentine's Day, and this would actually make for a great tech gift. So let's start with unboxing. As the name goes, here's the Huawei FreeBuds Lipstick. Seriously, this is really interesting design, but there have been concerns in the market whether it is a design over function. So we decided to take a look, but seriously, you're going to love it. It's beautiful, it's really well done, and it does look like a really well-made lipstick case. And what is also really good about this is one of the best points is that this is made of steel, so you actually getting very good build quality for this price. It's corrosion free and wear and tear protected, so that's excellent. And of course you have the charging port here. And now let's take a look. As expected, it's beautiful and it's fire engine red. The Huawei FreeBuds Lipstick comes with the Huawei tech, wherein it actually is able to kind of manage the EQ, that is the equalizer of the frequency of the sound in your ear canal based on the sounds, which means you kind of get a purer sound, so it kind of filters out the imperfections. So that's another great aspect. It also apparently adjusts the noise cancellation based on your surroundings, so you don't have to do it manually, and there are about 10 presets, so that's also another very good aspect. And then the battery level. Yes, because of the design, it's not as much as the previous iteration, so it's about 22 hours. So in that sense, it's a little lesser. But when paired with a Huawei smartphone, I think this is one of the best kind of package deals you could get. And like I said at the start, if you are going to look for a gift for a woman or a person in your life who really likes gadgets, then this is a great tool, especially if you pair it with a Huawei smartphone. Speaking of Huawei smartphones, we will be reviewing the revolutionary P50 soon, so definitely stay tuned. Overall, battery life is also pretty good for the lipstick FreeBuds. Let me just show you both of it. So, if not anything else, it's definitely a great conversation starter. The other benefit with the Huawei Lipstick FreeBud is that the playback option with some of its devices, such as the for that you need the AI Life and of course, as I said earlier, a Huawei smartphone. And AI Life will also help you to pair the device, and it's pretty easy. I haven't paired it yet with mine. I have my older FreeBuds Pro on it, which I absolutely love. When it comes to sound for the device, it is pretty good when you compare it with the others in the market. May not be at the topmost level sometimes, but I think it works really, really well, and with all its other qualities, it makes for a great purchase. And that's all from us. for the Huawei FreeBuds Lipstick.